it going, guys? Right now we are in Tooele. That only means one thing. We're here for all the cheese they have here. They don't have cheese here. We're here for the racetrack. Today's Winter Cross at Utah Motorsports Campus. Winter Cross is it's basically like the track cross, but they don't clean the track off of snow. So if there's any snow, you get it. That's what you get. So you can kind of rally your car if you want. They also do winter drift this winter as well. So in the same conditions go. Any snow on the ground means they're not cleaning up your drifting on that. But with that said, they posted last night that was going to be pretty warm, about I think a high of 48 degrees. My car says it's 38 right now. So we're in the BMW right now, and it's going to be a dry day. So we're going to see what it can do, because I only have summer tires on this car right now. So we're about to pull up to the racetrack now. We'll kind of see who's all there, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, we just got a driver's meeting. It's actually not too cold right now, so we're going to head up to the track. It sounds like we're going to hit a pretty shotgun approach. We got our new drivers over here. Yeah, these are our new drivers here. You guys might recognize Megan Ant. Oh, you guys are going to be famous. Yeah. Jamie's, this is her first time on track. You can follow her at the Racing Chica. Follow her.
It's totally my first time. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Guys, I am so excited to drive this car. Like, I'm so excited, and I'm so happy it's dry, so it'll be a perfect day to test it out. The pre-grid sales. Oh, I missed this place. The winter's been killing me. We've got the winter blues hard right now. So this is making me really happy to be back here so early. All right, guys, hopefully you can hear me. Wow, the sun is bright. Holy crap. We're just doing a parade lap right now. Sorry, they were moving fast. They said we're gonna get a lot of seat time today, so that's good. So this is gonna be like the track cross. They're just gonna send us out for one lap at a time. Pretty cold today. It's about 43 degrees, but that's not too bad. Could be colder. Just did a parade lap. Feeling pretty confident in the track conditions right now. That's the only thing I was really worried about, was track conditions. So we're gonna go and send it. You know, we're just gonna send it. Go get 'em. Push there. Oh. Yes, man. Wow, this car is so composed. Everything your input, and any input you can have, is so dialed in and so composed for you as a driver. Wow. Wow. Nut. Big nut. Alright guys, this car is pretty amazing. Like, I was one lap out. I don't know the tires. This came with some Continental Extreme Contacts, which are a good summer tire, but I've never driven on them. With that said, car is amazing. Literally you have so much control over all your inputs, the way the car brakes, the way the car turns, the way the throttle is put down to the ground. You might not have seen the attitudes, but I got a little unruly in the attitudes. Like, it was on that verge of losing grip. The attitudes are those three corners that are off camber that really throw everyone off. and I could correct with just throttle placement. Ugh, you guys see that spit? Gross. But yeah, I could seriously correct where the car was going and its attitude in the attitudes with the way I put the throttle down or where I modulated it, which is crazy. So combine that with really precise steering and it's just a riot. .594, shaved off a whole second for my first run, even with getting a little squirrely in turn 1. See where my time, oil temp's at 260, coolant temp at, wow, 176. Coolant temp stayed really cool. That is impressive. Yeah, I think the max oil temp I'm looking for on this car is 300 degrees. I have Motul 540 in this car. So pretty much a boutique oil, but that's what the last owner changed it with. So that's going to keep changing. Hello. It's a 997. Hello, beautiful. Let me know if you need instructional later. I can help you out. All right, guys. So there's a drift event going on right now as well. They're going to let me throw a quick rundown real quick. I kind of want to see how the car reacts, just because I only get comfortable the way the car slides, so I can react accordingly out there. Because that was the first time I've slid the car actually. I was on turn 1, which is a fast turn. So I kind of want to see how the car reacts, and then I'll feel more comfortable sending it out there. Does it all, dude. How awesome. This car is impressive. That felt really good. This honestly, this platform in general is slept on. Like, this would make a really good drift car. It has a lot of angle. Like, parts where I would have like killed it with the Z, like where I would have just been like, all right, that's game over. This car had enough angle to really pull it out. Like, I'm lost for words. Like, this is an amazing car, and people are really sleeping on the 1 Series. There's Brandon's IS300. For those of you guys watching Drift Week, like Adam LZ or the Hoonigans, there's his car after Drift Week, here running again. How awesome. Go get him. time there. 97 seconds flat, but that slide killed me. So I guess right now I'm at the stage where I'm driving and I'm trying to figure out, there's a point in trail braking where you need to stop the car from rotating and roll into the throttle to the point where your weight transfers to the back and you get to that traction again. So you prevent it from sliding, but you get into that like nice moment of rotation. And so that's where I'm kind of trying to figure it out right now. That last corner, I got into the gas a little too early actually, and I could have afforded a little more rotation. And that one where I went sideways, I was too late already. Maybe I was a little too aggressive with the trail brake as well. So I'm just trying to figure the car out. But I mean, it's really amazing how responsive it is to my inputs and where I can place the car and how I can move it. All right, so I realized I didn't even touch the tire pressure, and we were like, let's see, this tire is at 40 psi, so we're gonna bring him down to 31. That should help with some traction as well.
Practice.
Yeah, having a blast. The track's amazing right now. Even though the snow's fun, but can't beat a dry track either. Ooh, 96.2, I think that was my fastest. That was good, that was really good. I missed the apex in the last corner, but I kind of figured out the rotation aspect of the whole car. So I just need to bring the braking zone in just a touch earlier to hit that apex. You know, I just made a realization. I've had this car for only 2 weeks, actually it'll be 2 weeks tomorrow, and I'm already at the track, and I'm already drifting it. Man, I'm gonna clickbait the shit out of this video. Damn it! Too much aggression. Too much aggression. Smooth as fast, guys. everyone's parked. I'm going up for another lap then. Very nice. Had to dial it back a little bit. Dial it back. Oh, 96.3, not my fastest. The brake got, at turn 6, the brake got soft for like a split second and regained firmness. I'm not sure if ABS was like saying, hey, ABS, oh, we're actually good. Here's brake pressure. I'm gonna take it easy on the next one. I might let the car cool off, I don't know. All right, guys, we're gonna take it easy in these next few runs. I know I'm chasing time right now, but that last run going into turn 6, the brakes just felt weird. They're not sure if it was just ABS acting up or if it was really boil over. So I'm gonna take it easy on this next one. I'm gonna see if I can make the issue happen again. Yeah, really weird. The brakes feel fine now, though. Looks like they might have a little bit of hot spotting on them, though. So maybe it might be something we need to address for more track use. My theory is because we didn't have many people in line, and I probably did 3 or 4 straight laps. But when you come in for a lap, you have to slow down, so all that heat builds up, and you can't. You know, if you're running down the straight and doing a cool down lap, you have wind cooling you down, right? But now we don't have that, so that's possible. Like why we got like excess heat into the brakes. So I'm gonna take it easy on this next one and see what happens. Now I got some heat on the tires, so.
From over there.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
That's the trick.
Yeah, that'll warm them up, at least the rear.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're still in the top 5, so.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is there like a, can we see our times after we're done, or is it just kind of?
No, they're posted over there. I mean, you know, the guy's keeping a record of best times.
Okay.
Go for it.
Sweet. 146. Wow, still not my fastest. That felt really smooth though. I think on that note though, I'm gonna call it because there's only an hour left. But I'm gonna take. I want to stop here, just get the car a break because it is my first event, so I want to kind of take it easy. Says the guy who drifted and tracked the car on the same day. But yeah, let's park up, pack up, and call it a day. Had a great day. Alright guys, so before we end this video, we're going to go for a ride with Brandon. He just got back from Drift Week, so we're going to go shred in that car. If you guys haven't seen his videos, go check out his YouTube channel. I'll put the description right here on the screen. We're going to do tandem. I think we're going to do it with Rudy over there in the green 240. If you guys have been watching Drift Week, his was a Corvette that burned down, so there's a GoFundMe for him, so go help him out there. But let's go ahead and go for a ride. So we have, this is YouTube conference. We got Brandon here, and Brandon's audience is watching my camera. Whoa. Wow. A little trippy here.
Trippy.
We got a beautiful day here in Tooele. Actually, it was like 50 degrees out on track.
I mean, you just turn the heater on, we're good.
Yeah, there we go. Are you dual caliper or single?
Single.
Okay.
Yep. And my brakes leak too.
Oh.
I gotta keep putting fluid in. 5,000 mile road trip and we just kept putting fluid in.
Oh my god, that's great. That is great.
Literally, I got done with the road trip and drove the car here.
Really?
I've done nothing to it. I put tires on it.
There you go.
This thing's reliable.
So anyone who wants a reliable drift car, Brandon's the man to build it at D-Spare.
Yeah, what's up?
How's that for a plug?
That's a good plug, thank you.
So how you gonna do reverse? You just gonna cut through the cones here?
Yeah.
It's not very SECA of you. Who taught you that?
I'll end the lap with a 1 minute penalty.
Yeah. Brandon actually said I could drive his rental G35. He's got a GK Tech angle kit, a hydro, and welded dip. So I want to see how that feels so I know what to do for the Z, because the Z is going to be a lot more dedicated to drifting now. Alright, let's see how this does. Oh. Alright, that was interesting. The e-brake works really good, so that's nice. I do want to do that for sure. I'm not sure how I feel about the GK Tech kit. It is feels kind of interesting under transition. I'm not sure the GoPro will really come out right at the end of the run, but I tried throwing it in backwards to see how much angle I could hook it in with. But it felt good having angle, it felt really nice. But yeah, I'm not sure about the GK Tech kit, the transitions felt weird. Alright guys, I would say that was a very successful first track day in the BMW. I mean, got to go on the track, got to drift it, really got to flesh out this car, and now I'm really in sync with how it drives. There's still a lot of room on the table with my driving and really getting all the performance out of this car, let alone we're not even on the sticky set of tires with it. So I'm really excited to see how it does with season and how it does with a good set of tires and how it does with me learning the car a little better. So I don't know if they're going to post all the times. The guy at the front said it was top 5 for the day. We had about 40, 50 cars, so pretty good. Some fast cars, some people I've never seen before either, so I'm not sure what the competition was. There's no competition today, it's more just open lapping. I'm really glad it was dry. We got just a really great day in February in Utah, that is, to go racing. So I'm really happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and plan on me making a lot more videos with this car. Anyway guys, thank you for watching.